Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. It features an awesome screen, awesome multiple cameras, and a long-lasting battery. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Let's start off with the screen. The A53 5G has a brilliant 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Did someone say selfie? The A53 features a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Now that's pretty impressive. On the back, we've got a 64-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel depth camera, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. Check it out! The A53 5G has a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery that is super fast charge compatible. It comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of built-in storage. It also has an expandable micro SD card slot that lets you add up to a terabyte more. The Galaxy A53 5G runs on Android 12 right out of the box, and it's ready for T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. And if that isn't awesome enough, it has an IP67 dust and water rating. That means it's water resistant in up to 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. You can hold your breath that long, right? Inside the box, you've got the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, the Quick Start Guide, SIM pin, and the USB-C charging cable. The new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, an awesome screen, awesome quad camera, and a long-lasting battery, all on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can check out the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at T-Mobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.